In today's recipe, we're going to be cooking baked drum with crispy asparagus and Cajun aioli. For step-by-step directions for this recipe and many others, visit thegreenwayoutdoors.com.
Hello and welcome to the Greenway Outdoors Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking up this beautiful redfish.
Bluefish?
Redfish.
Bluefish.
Oh, you're doing the thing. Don't do the thing. That's why you have no other friends. So we are going to be cooking up this redfish. Jeffrey, what's the recipe?
It is a baked redfish with asparagus fries and a Cajun aioli.
Asparagus fries sounds like a very con artist.
Tasty treat.
Nope. Sounds like a con artist version of French fries.
Probably, kind of.
Yeah, let's get started.
On a baking sheet, put down some wax paper and add some olive oil to the surface. After that, add your chopped onions, celery, red pepper, lemon, and finally your sprigs of thyme. Once you've completed making your veggie bed, take your fillets and cover them with olive oil and salt and pepper to taste. After you're done seasoning your fillets, place them on top of your veggie bed and then top the fillets again using the thyme, lemon, celery, red pepper, and chopped onion. Now put your fish into the oven that has been preheated to 400 degrees and let cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's get started on the crispy asparagus fries. Mix your flour, cornstarch, and baking powder in a large mixing bowl. Then add your ginger ale to the mixture and mix until smooth. Finally, cover the asparagus in the batter and then put it in your canola oil that has been heated to roughly 365 degrees. Let the asparagus cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now that the asparagus is done, your fillet should be ready in the oven. Pull them out, plate, and enjoy.
If that smells half as good as it tastes, this would be awesome, but this does not look like the...
You mean if it tastes half as good as it smells?
What did I say?
You said if it smells half as good as it tastes? You sneak and taste over there and you can't smell?
I definitely did not. I'm more of like a fish sticks with ketchup kind of guy.
That's not ketchup.
Oh, it's not?
This is for, you know what? This is for people with class. Why don't you go sit down?
Oh, I'm actually excited to try it.
Get some of that aioli.
I got all lemon. That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
That's tasty too. It's good. Wow, you made vegetables taste good. Good job, buddy.
That's what happens when you deep fry them.
I guess it is. For this recipe and many others, visit thegreenwayoutdoors.com. Also, check out our YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook pages. We'd love to hear from you on episodes you'd like to see. Thanks so much for tuning in. Stay green.